Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Face ID on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to Face ID. So you need to find the Face ID and passcode section, click on it, and it's going to ask you to enter your password, so enter the password. And then if you don't have Face ID set up yet, you're going to have the setup Face ID button on the bottom right here. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you to start setting up Face ID, and you need to just go through the tutorial, and it's going to guide you through the process. And once you're done, you're going to have Face ID set up, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.